Oh no, I just got this letter from Santa. He said some of you are running behind on your gift list and that you might need some quick quilts to make for Christmas. Keep watching. Hi, it's Donna Robertson with Fabric Cafe. Today we have a great lineup for you, and it's going to tell you all about quick quilts that you can do for your friends and relatives. And if you have a quilting friend, a great gift for them would be our book bundle. It has 8 books, one specially low price, and free shipping. So all of the quilts we show you today will come from one of these books, and they're super easy and quick to make. So let's get started. Our very first one is Checkmate, and Checkmate is a super fast quilt. It's a row quilt, and it has an 8-inch strip at the top, and then a 4-patch, and then it's repeated. And this is all done with strip piecing, so you will make this so fast you'll be surprised. Now, I've got some special fabric for you. We always like to show you the size of the quilt and how the actual pattern makes up. But we don't have this particular one made in a quilt, but you can envision it. I know you can. This one is called Bicycle Fun. And if you have a friend or a relative that loves cycling, this would be perfect for them. It's almost like it looks like a little picnic in the park with a basket of flowers. This will be your focus fabric, and it's going to go right here in this spot. So you cut the width of the fabric, you'll trim it down to fit, you'll just be cutting a little bit off of that fabric, and then you make a 4-patch out of fabrics 2 and 3. So you'll always use your focus in the number 1 position. You will use the light in the lightest position, and then you'll use the dark in the darkest position. Goes together super fast, and it's a great gift quilt. 8021775 is the kit number, and then Bicycle Fun is the name. Checkmate is the pattern, and you always get 1 free pattern with each kit that you purchase from Fabric Cafe. Or you can buy 3 kits, any 3 kits, and get a book free. Just write that name in the comment section of your order. Now this one is called Overnight Sensation, and it too is exactly that. It's going to go together in a hurry. It has big blocks, but they are actually strip pieced and then cut, and you will make this quilt an overnight sensation. That's just what it is. Let's put it up here, and I've got some great new fabric to show you. These are Dinosaurs, so I think just about every 6-year-old, 7-year-old will fall in love with dinos. They just got to have them. They're just so fascinated with these big, huge animals that at one time roamed the earth. Now this one would go in your number 1 spot, and this is a directional fabric, but the pattern is written in such a way that it's really easy for you to get that direction to go correctly. Then your number 2 fabric is the green, and that is going to go in your background. You usually have your lightest fabric in the background because it helps the other colors to really pop and come forward so that you can see the way that the pattern was designed. It'll just make it all come towards you. So this is your lightest. It goes in the number 2. The number 3 has all those great dino roars and grunts and noises here. So this is your number 3. It's going to go here, and it'll also go in the border. This one is 8021778, Dinosaur Park, Overnight Sensation. Easy Does It is the name of the book that pattern is in. Now, it's only available in Easy Does It, so we always offer you an alternate pattern, and in this case we suggested the Checkmate pattern. Now the next ones, you got those guys and girls in your life that love, love, love cars. This one is called Hot Rod, and we're using the book, the pattern Sweet Times. Sweet Times is a 10-inch block that's bordered in 2 different colors. So you have your focus and your light and your dark fabrics for that. Let's put that up here, and we've got some great hot rods. Look at these cool cars. Now I know there's a lot of men and women that are in love with their cars, and look at those, aren't they great? This will be your focus fabric that goes here, and then we have 2 different colors of the grunge fabric. They're great. Now you can just see they just go with the cars. That's just all there is to it. So you've got these 2, you've got your light and your dark. So one of them is going to have the dark around the block, and the other one will have the light around the block. This one is called Hot Rod 8021776. Sweet Times is your pattern, so it's available in the book or as an individual. Now this is a brand new pattern from my book Quilts on the Double, and it is a super easy one to put together, and it is strip piece, so it'll go together so fast. You have a basic block here with a strip piecing here to create this block, so you have a bigger block and a smaller block. Let's put that up here, and those dragonflies are available on our website, but we have some other fabric to show you today, and I've got pieces and parts for you. Okay, so we're going to show you some nurse fabric, and these are just great. Let's do the first thing you do is you create a block like this, and that block will be, it's a standalone block, but then you're going to create a strip piecing like this. And the strip piecing will then be cut into units. Let's put this right here and show you how the units are cut from this particular fabric. So you've got this just cut off, and then it just turns and becomes that second block. And then you just repeat that across, and you've got your quilt rows made. So let's look at the fabric up close. We have the nurses right here, and these are what we refer to as tossed fabric because the nurses are going every which way on here, so it won't matter the direction that you put it into the block. The number 2 is also a tossed fabric. That's going to go in that secondary position. And the third one is the red polka dot, and this is just the perfect combination with just a little red in each of the other 2 fabrics. So this one is called Sassy Nurses, and just about everybody has a nurse in their family. My sister's a nurse, and you may have somebody as well. So we have 8021777, Sassy Nurses, Broad Strokes is your pattern, Quilts on the Double is the book that pattern is in. It's only available in that book. So if you want an alternate pattern, we will send you the Sew Quick pattern. Now you might keep in mind that any one of the 3-yard quilt patterns will work with any 3 yards. So if you see a pattern that you like better, all you have to do is say, when you order the kit, select the one that says, I will put my choice in the comments section, and you write the name of the pattern that you want, and we will be happy to switch that out. Okay, the next one that we're doing, this pattern is called Lickity Split. And Lickity Split, again, goes together really fast. And do you have a bird watcher in your life? I know I do. And they just love to watch the birds. I like to watch the birds too, but I don't have the deep knowledge that some of the bird watchers do. But I love it. They put the names of the bird watchers, and it's a real soft, kind of a woodsy look to the whole quilt. We'll put that one up here on the table, and look at this great fabric. Now this is a new motif fabric, and it is just so pretty. So the number 1 fabric is the kind of a light gray, kind of a woodsy gray. I love that. Then you've got 2 remaining. You've got a light and a dark, and that light one will go here. The dark one is your sashing, and it's also on the borders. Now this is a great quilt for 2 focus fabrics. We have a lot of quilts that are that way because as much as we like focus fabrics, we have a tendency to buy those over the solid colors because we can just envision them in a quilt. So you can use 2 different focus fabrics in this pattern. 8021440 is your kit number. Bird Watching is the name of the kit. Lickety Split is only available in the book Fast and Fun until just recently. And we've just introduced it as an individual pattern. So you can get the individual pattern for that. Now this quilt also has Donna's backing, and that is something special that we've done, and the backing is selected just for you. So let's take a look at that. It coordinates beautifully with your birds that are on the front, and if you pick Donna's backing, you will get this particular one, and you can see how gorgeous the quilting is on this as well. If you do not want to pick Donna's backing, then you can just say, choose a backing for me, and we will send you a nice coordinated backing fabric. Okay, next on our list is we have Town Square. Town Square is the name of this particular pattern, and I like the way the focus fabric kind of floats on the surface of this one. So it's actually sashed by multiple pieces, and I've got pieces and parts to show you on this one. So let's put that up on the table, and we have something for the nature lover, butterflies. Now this particular pattern is in the book, Easy Peasy 3-Yard Quilts. And here's our pieces and parts. The first thing you're going to do whenever you start reading your pattern, it's going to tell you to cut the blocks. Nothing to that. That makes about the easiest block you can do. You put that one right here, and then we're going to sash that with the pieces that we'll show you now. To start with, you will do strip piecing that looks like this. So you've got your 2 wide strips, and then from that, you are going to cut units. And this is what I refer to them in the actual pattern, is they're called units that you cut right off of the side of the strip piecing. So once you've done that, you will place the strip piecing. You'll sew 1 to each top and bottom. Sometimes I have a hard time talking and building at the same time. And then we've got another one down here. And then we take and make a really big strip piecing. So you can kind of see how big that one is. And we're going to cut units off of that. So I've cut 2 units off of the side of this one. And that will go just like this. So we're going to, well, I've kind of got these a little bit wonky over there, but you're getting the idea that this is the way that you put those on the side. So then you end up with this great sashing that just surrounds your focus fabric. All righty, let's look at that fabric up close and personal. Okay, so butterflies in that cool little peachy color that goes with the peach color that's in with the butterflies. That's your focus fabric. It'll go in the number 1 spot. And then you'll make your strip piecing with your 2 and your 3. And they really have a great way of making a super quilt. 8021779, Summer Flight. Town Square is your pattern, and Easy Peasy is the book that pattern is in. Now remember, you can get a book free if you buy 3 kits. That's why we always like to tell you the book pattern, because it'll not only have this pattern, but it'll also have 7 more patterns. Okay, this one is called Porch Rails, and we all have people in our life that love big, bold, bright colors, and this one is perfect for that. It's using a cave fabric. And these are feathers, and they're so pretty and all colorful and bright, and it just brings sunshine on a dreary night, that's for sure. Let's put that one on the table. And our fabric number 1, you can really see the feathers in this one. They are gorgeous. That's your number 1 fabric. It's going to go in the focus block. And then you've got your color number 2 and your color number 3. Which we'll do strip piecing for this one, and then we'll cut our units. So those are all strip pieced and then cut into units, and then they're just placed by twisting and turning these blocks, and you'll come up with a real fun and fast quilt. 8020684 is Fancy Feathers. Porch Rails is the name of the pattern. It is available as an individual. It's also available in the book Pretty Darn Quick. Now the next one we have, it would be great for a new baby that hasn't had its first Christmas quilt yet. This one is called Big Picture, and it is super fast. This is 1 big block of 42-inch wide fabric. So it's really cool the way that this one can be used. You just pick out a pretty animal fabric and then you put the borders on it, and it's great. So let's put that one up here. So the number 1 fabric is the one that you're going to use to cut this big block. And you'll cut the fabric, and it'll just be 1 piece that you cut out of your regular fabric. It's not a panel. but it's a fun way to make it look like you have a panel. And then your number 2 fabric, when you compare these two, is your lightest. And you can see that over here in the borders, the way we've put those strips together. And then our 3rd fabric is this blue, and you can see it here and here. So it makes a great quilt. It would be a super quilt for a little one, and get them started on the love of quilting. The number is 8021650. Happy Farm is the name of the quilt, and Big Picture is the name of the pattern. That is available in our book, Quilts for Kids. We also have backing for this one, so if you pick Donna's backing, then you're going to get this great green, and you can see that it's just perfectly coordinated with the greens that are in the quilt. So if you like that one, you can order the Donna's backing, or you can pick me a fabric that we coordinate for you. Now, as I said, all of these quilts come in one of our books. You'll want to take advantage of that book bundle, or whenever you purchase the kit, you get the pattern free. So I know Santa's going to be really happy that I've shared this information with you, and that you can get with those quilts right now, so that you've got all your gifts ready for your friends and family. So it's Donna Robertson with Fabric Cafe. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the little button and the little bell. And when you click on that bell, it will make sure that you get notification every time we post a new quilt show. So have a great day. See you next time.